Hi everyone, my name is Gigi. I'm 5 years old. I live in Ayutthaya, Thailand. My favorite color is brown. My favorite food is pineapple. When I grow up, I want to be a chef someday.
Okay, good job. Now this time you're going to count 1 up to 20. Ready, go.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, say counting by 10. Gigi, counting by 10.
Okay. Counting by 10. 10, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 100. 100.
Alright, again, can you repeat counting by 10?
Counting by 10. 10, 20, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 100.
Very good. Alright, now this time you have to say the letter.
510.
You have to say the letter and the sound. Focus.
510.
Focus. Sound. Put the microphone in your mouth.
A. B. B. C. D. E. F. G. G. H. I. E. J. K. L. M. N. O. P.
Louder, put the microphone.
Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Teacher, throw out that noise from the microphone.
Yes. Okay, this time you have to say the letter in the picture. Are you ready?
A is for ant. B is for bird. C is for crab. D is for dog. E is for egg.
Very good.
F is for fish. G is for gun. H is for horse. I is for ice cream.
Louder, please.
J is for jar. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for mouse. N is for nest. O is for owl.
Very good.
P is for pig. Q is for quilt. R is for rabbit. S is for snail. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for vase. W is for whale. X is for Christmas tree. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra.
Very good. Okay.
Yay!
7 days of the week. Very good. Let's have
7 days